Hello there. So you want to open your HTC Vive headset and you want to unplug. Let's do it right now. So you will also see how I'm opening it. Just look at this. You can put both of your thumbs at this place. Okay, and put your fingers here and gently push both thumbs to the forward side here. See? You can see that. I'm also opening it in real time, so you can also learn. Oh my god. Okay, we need to push it back side. Look here. Yeah. Okay. So you can see that. See? Okay. So here is this, and now here is the cable input, so you can simply unplug the cables and you can switch this cable if you want to switch. I had an issue in the HTC Vive, so I wanted to know how to open this headset. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this and it helped you. Take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to get more quick solutions. Bye bye.